Welcome to class today, Algebra 2 students. On this Tuesday the 10th. Hope you guys are doing well today. Hope you're ready to work hard in class today, to take a quiz, and to continue to work on your review sheet. All right, let's go ahead and jump right into today's notes or announcements. First of all, there will be a test tomorrow, so I will see you guys tomorrow morning in the cafeteria. You have nothing to turn in. There was no homework given to you last night. Incompletes. Let's see what we have here real quick. Haley, you did not take your quiz yesterday, so there will be some points taken off. Please take your quiz today, or there'll be more points taken off, okay? Contact me if you did take it, and maybe the teacher did not put it in my box, okay? Let me know, all right? Okay, remember my test quiz policy. No matter how many days you're absent, if you're in the room on the day of a test or a quiz, you will take the test or quiz unless you pre-contact me, okay, before the quiz, all right? Today, we're going to take a quiz, and we're going to continue to review for your test tomorrow. Here's the review sheet information for anyone who needs it again, all right? I gave this to you yesterday. Here it is again. I'm going to go ahead and move on, okay? So if you need to copy that down, copy it down, all right? Pause the video, copy it down, and then restart the video. But there's the review sheet, and there's the 2 help videos, all right? Okay, now guys, I hate to keep bringing this up. I really don't know what to do, all right? This is an email, and by the way, Miss Carol gave me permission to do this, so please don't think I'm doing anything that she would not want me to do. And of course, my computer is frozen up. There it goes. Now guys, take a second and read this, okay? This is what I'm getting, okay? In fact, pause the video, read this, and then restart the video. Now, look guys, listen to me very carefully. Like I said before, I want you guys to be in my class because you want to be in the class. I don't know why you're in my class. You might prefer my teaching, my style over Miss Walker's. You might prefer the fact that it's independent and you can kind of do things on your own. All of those are fine reasons, okay? All of those. But, look, I don't know what to say, but, the next step is going to be, I'm going to put each of you in an individual room. Now you might say, Mr. Earhart, if you do that, I'll drop the class. Well, that's fine. Guys, look, it's never been about money for me, okay? If it was about money, I would not offer the class every year and say, if only one student takes it, I'll teach it, okay? And I would do that. If there was one student in the room, I would still teach the class, okay? So understand that. Having said that, if any of you feel the need to, if that happens, I'll drop the class, that's fine. But I have to support Miss Carol, okay? And as great of friends as Mr. Harmon and I are, and our 2 families are really good friends, it still remains the fact that there are times that I disagree with decisions that are made at Berean occasionally, okay? Nothing biblically or anything morally, just things here and there. Well, you know what? I still submit to his authority, all right? That's just how it is. Now, Miss Carol's in that room. I'm not there, okay? Sure, I make the call about when quizzes have to be made up, tests have to be made up, homework, stuff like that. Okay, I get that, all right? But when it comes to the behavior of the class, that's up to her because she's teaching another class. So when she sends me emails like this, I've got to support her, okay? So I'm telling you guys, the next step is going to be, I'm going to put one person in her room, one person in Huguenot's, one person in Folt's, one person in Suter's room, and so on and so forth. Okay? So, I'm sorry, but that's how it's going to have to be. Now, when it comes to seating arrangements, Here's a lab table right here. Here's another one right here. You guys should not be sitting directly beside each other. You should be on separate ends. Now, one table back here. Here's the door. This table is smaller. There should be one person at that desk. Okay? No more than two at the other desks. And you should be on the opposite ends. Okay? Well, I guess you'd be seated here and here. But anyways, you get the point. So guys, look, the ball's in your court. Okay, I love y'all. I'm not mad at you, but you're going to have to take care of this, okay? And let's just say, for argument's sake, she is overreacting a little, which I'm not saying she is. She's still the teacher. It's her classroom, okay? All right, Lydia, quick comment on your review sheet. I'm really proud of you. Great job on your review sheet. You've done a really good job on your stuff this year, okay? Working hard, everything else. But I'm concerned that on number 2, no, I'm sorry, yeah, the very last problem, number 2, I'm concerned that maybe you forgot to find the range, okay? Now, I don't care about that as in terms of the entire review sheet, okay? You've done enough to get 5 bonus points. My concern is that on the test, you will not know how to find the range because you forgot to do it on the review sheet. So the very last problem on the review sheet, Lydia, number 2, make sure you know how to find the range, okay? All right, let's go over today's quiz. Everybody make sure you've got a quiz on your desk, and then let's start today's quiz. Remember, you must give the quiz to Miss Carol before the class period's over, and if you don't, well, you just have to, or you don't get credit for it, okay? All right, number 1, find the first 4 values of that function, and then number 2, I want you to tell me if that function is linear. Well, first of all, use differences to tell me whether the function is linear, quadratic, or neither. And if it's linear, then write the linear equation below. All work must be shown in the space below. I will give you no credit at all if you don't give me some work, okay? You've got to show me the right kind of work. All right, that's all for today. Please get to work on your quiz and your review sheet. Have a great day. Contact me if you have any questions at all. All right.